Once upon a time in a eucalyptus tree, there was a young koala named Katie. Katie loved cuddling with her mom. They would hug and giggle, and it made Katie feel so loved. One day, Katie's mom held her little baby koala close. "This is your brother," she said. Katie wanted to be happy for her mom and her new baby brother, but she couldn't help but feel a little scared. Katie's heart felt funny, like a tight ball in her chest. She didn't understand why her mom had brought another koala home. Katie slowly climbed up the tree to a branch away from them. As Katie sat on the branch, she watched her mom take care of the baby. It felt like Mama was only for the baby now. Katie felt sad. She missed her mom's warm hugs. She felt forgotten and she didn't know what to do. Katie thought to herself, "Mama forgot about me. She only loves the baby now. I'm not special anymore." Just then, Katie's mom looked up from the baby and saw Katie sitting alone. She quickly climbed up the branch to where Katie was. Katie turned to see her mom climbing closer. She wanted to tell her mom how she felt, but she couldn't find the words. Seeing that Katie wasn't as happy as she had hoped, Mom asked, "Are you not happy about having a brother, Katie?" Katie shook her head and said, "No, I don't want a brother." She felt bad saying that, but she couldn't stop the tears from falling down her cheeks. "Oh, Katie," Mom said softly. She knew her daughter needed some time to think things through, so she left Katie alone again, hoping she would come around. Katie sat on the branch by herself again. She watched as her mom came back with more food for the baby. The baby koala reached out and grabbed onto her mom's fur. As Katie watched, she started to miss her mom's cuddles. She wished things could go back to how they were before. All of a sudden, an idea popped into Katie's head. Maybe if she did something exciting, her mom would notice her. So Katie jumped up and down on the branch and made lots of noise. "Look at me, Mama, look at me," she shouted. Her mom heard Katie making a ruckus and came over to see what was wrong. But even when Katie was loud and in her face, she still had a sad look on her face. And her mom knew she needed to do something else to show Katie just how much she loved her. So Mom gently pulled Katie close with one arm while holding the baby with her other. "My heart didn't shrink when baby came," she said. "It grew. Now I have two loves." Then Mom gave Katie a big hug. Katie hugged back, feeling all the love in her mom's tight squeeze. Katie felt something warm inside her chest. It was a feeling she hadn't felt before, a feeling of true sisterly love. The baby koala reached out his tiny paw and grabbed onto Katie's finger. He looked up at her with his big brown eyes and smiled. "I'm a big sister," Katie realized. "He needs me too." And from that day on, Katie loved being a big sister. She helped take care of her little brother, and she knew that even though there were two of them now, their mom's love was big enough for both of them. All three koalas cuddled together on a tree branch, feeling grateful for the love they shared. Katie knew that even though she had a brother now, she would always be her mom's special koala, and now she had a little brother who looked up to her.